of Andhra Pradesh in the kind of what is now being said as strained relations with Karnataka over this particular issue that we are speaking of is Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaia's decision to halt land acquisition for an aerospace park that has sparked criticism from Andhra Pradesh. Now, in a sharp response, Andhra Minister Nara Lokesh has now publicly invited aerospace industry to relocate and offering over 8,000 acres of ready-to-use land just outside Bengaluru, where Nara Lokesh has highlighted Andhra Pradesh's attractive aerospace policy and also promising top-tier incentives as well. His message that has been saying that sorry to hear about this, but why not consider Andhra Pradesh instead? We have a better offer for you. Now, this is coming across, Sumit, as far as Karnataka has been concerned, when it comes to such kind of institutions as well, which is known for its setup in base in Karnataka, Karnataka says they will not let it go easily. However, this seems to be a top offer that seems to be coming from the state of Andhra Pradesh.
Well, that's true, Amita. See, this is not the first pitch in coming from the Andhra Pradesh. Earlier, there was an issue after the Karnataka minister has, raised this, stating even D.K. Shivkumar has also spoken on that matter, saying that they're trying, Andhra Pradesh is trying to relocate HL. However, Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu has responded out to that, and also even, Nara Lokesh and others responded out to that and stated that we are not trying to relocate the HL, but we are trying to build an aerospace in the Andhra Pradesh. And, what we have learned from the sources is Andhra Pradesh government has allocated around 10,000 acres nearby to the Bangalore, so that is around 150 kilometers away from the Bangalore is the Andhra border. So already 8,000 to 10,000 acres we have allocated, and even on record, Nara Lokesh has stated that 8,000 acres are ready for occupation, and basically has directly pitched in and welcomed the aerospace industry to be set up here in the Andhra Pradesh. And basically, after Karnataka Chief Minister has altered this, allocation. So basically, this is nothing but even earlier we have saw several pitch-ins coming from the Chief Minister and also Deputy Chief Minister Nara Lokesh and the other ministers trying to attract the investments, and also several summits. So is
it about states? Is it about development? Is it about land allocation? Because Andhra Pradesh is already in stiff competition with its neighbor for a slice of the aerospace industry as well, and has drawn up such an ambitious plan to attract investments into its own state. Let's take a look as far as what the minister there in the state of Andhra Pradesh has to say, because he seems to be pitching an offer that seems to be somewhat as far as attracting the aerospace industry in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Just outside Bengaluru seems to be the offer. Dear aerospace industry, sorry to hear about this. I have a better idea for you. Why don't you look at Andhra Pradesh instead? We have an attractive aerospace policy for you with best-in-class incentives, over 8,000 acres of ready-to-use land just outside of Bengaluru. So pun intended here, but hope to see you soon to talk across the table as far as this offer that seems to be now coming in from the Andhra minister himself. Of course, there has been offers like this before, but they have been turned down vehemently when it comes to the Karnataka leadership, saying that it is out of question to even think of such offers as far as when it comes to HAL that will move outside the state of Karnataka. But this is coming in when there has been a lot of criticism that came in the way for the Karnataka state government. The move to stop land acquisition for an aerospace park, that has also drawn a lot of criticism from Andhra Pradesh, with its minister sending out a public invite to the aerospace industry to relocate. In